Hi guys, in today's video, we're diving into the fundamentals of C programming with a simple yet powerful exercise, writing a program to add two numbers. For those just beginning with C or wanting a refresher, this example is the perfect way to grasp how input, variables, and basic arithmetic work in the C language. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not only how to perform this basic addition, but also why these steps are crucial in building up your coding skills for more advanced projects. Let's jump right into it. Congratulations! You've successfully created a program in C to add two numbers. Remember, mastering these basics builds the foundation for tackling more complex programming tasks. Practice is key, so try experimenting with different types of inputs or even expanding this program further. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and keep coding with confidence.